Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super easy twist out only using 3 products. So we're going to start off in our Erica Baidu state with freshly washed hair giving 0 bucks. And then we're going to take our leave-in conditioner, and this is by Shea Moisture. I absolutely love it. It is very thin, has a good slip consistency, and I just put it all over my hair. Then we are going to detangle. This is just a $1 comb that I found at the beauty supply store, but we're just going to detangle our hair. And I know everybody detangles differently, so this is just my method. If you section off your hair to detangle, you know, do you girl, but this is just the easiest for me. So once our hair is nice and detangled, I'm using the raw shea butter oil that you get from the beauty supply store for $2 or $3, and I oil my scalp. So with me doing this, I have a very dry scalp, and it just keeps my scalp moisturized and hydrated and keeps all the flakes away. So I just love it to oil my scalp. And then I go through and massage it in. I don't know if this actually does anything. It just is mostly for me because it feels good, but you know, it looks good. It looks like it's doing something, stimulating some cuticles. I don't know, girl. And then we're just going to part our hair the way we like it. And then once we have our hair parted, we are just going to comb out everything, make sure there's no tangles, and then section off our hair and then tie the rest of the hair back that we're not twisting right now. Then I'm just gonna take this bottle of water. You know, we recycle around here. It's just a bottle of water. I'm just dampening my hair and then taking the olive oil wrap setting lotion and just putting a little bit, well, that's a lot of bit, a medium a bit, and putting that on this section. Then we're gonna part that section to a smaller section to get ready to strand twist our hair. So I am taking the Can 2 coconut cream curling cream, and I like to take a good amount of this, girl, I like to take a lot of this and put it on my ends and then focus the rest on my hair. And then I just brush it out just to make sure my ends are very smooth, because I found that if my hair is not really smooth, then my twists come out very like frizzy and just a hot mess. So make sure your hair is smooth before you twist, and then you just twist it up on itself. It's super easy. So once I get to the end, I take a little bit more of that curling cream and I really focus it on the ends, because my ends tend to get a little bit drier than the rest of my hair. And then I just twist it around on itself to create a little curly cue. See? It's like that little cute little curl. And now we do the rest of our head. So once we're done, the curls or the twists turn out like this. They're nice and shiny and bouncy. And then I let them dry overnight. So this is what it looks like after I dry it overnight. I do not use heat to dry it unless I'm in a super hurry, but always dry overnight. So now to undo the twist, we're taking that same raw shea butter oil and we're taking a good bit of this. Why can't I talk today? And I'm just coating my fingers to make sure my fingers are coated and putting that all over the twists. And now we're going to start taking them down with that oil on our hands. So you want to be sure to be very careful when you're taking down your twists to create as less frizz as you can And I usually like to do maybe 3 to 4 like little curls with one twist, and that usually has my hair lasting maybe 3 to 4 days. So if you want your hair to last like a really long time, then separate the curls, you know, less. And it's just me being like super excited. But yeah, these are the curls with the products I use. They're super defined, super juicy, super moisturized. So then we're just gonna take a pick just to fluff out the roots just a little bit. Now I don't like big hair, so I don't fluff that much. I'm just doing the fluffing to hide the parts or the craziness that's happening with me parting the hair. And then I take the Eco Styler gel, the flaxseed kind, and I just take that to lay down my edges. And I just pin a side back because that's just a little hairstyle I like to do. And then that's it. You can fluff and style how you like it. And like I said, this style lasts me around 3 to 5 days depending on how I keep it and how I separate the curls. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.